What is the single biggest mind shift that can completely change your life? I think I know what it is. It's the moment you stop asking, why did all that bad stuff happen to me? And you start asking, what kind of life do I want? What kind of life am I willing to earn? How I've completely turned my life around. For years, people stay trapped, man. Not because they can't move forward, because they're facing the wrong direction. They're looking this way, they're doing this, and they slow down and you're looking backwards. You stay stuck in anger, regret, you replay every conversation. They build walls so high that nobody could ever hurt them again. I get the mentality. I was there. If you never trust or love anyone, you won't get hurt. Your heart won't break again. If you never take another chance, you're probably not going to fail. But you'll never really live either. Some people spend years asking questions that they know they don't have any answers. Why did they hurt me? Did they ever really love me? How come I didn't see it coming? I'm a smart person. And they moved on so quickly. How? Can I tell you something? Those questions are understandable. They don't build a better future. It's a prison. You're focused on the wrong thing. Because every minute you spend trying to understand yesterday and what's back there is a minute you're not looking that way and building your future. Biggest change in my life happened when I finally said, stop. I cannot change one thing that happened to me before. I can't make people apologize. I can't make people love me. I can't undo the things that I did. Can't rewrite the past. What I can do, I can decide who I'm going to be moving forward. That's the only question that matters. What kind of life am I willing to earn? Am I willing to earn better health? Then I got to walk. Am I willing to earn peace? And you got to forgive them and you. If I'm willing to earn some financial peace and freedom, I got to learn. Got to learn to save, work, extra work, spend less. Am I willing to earn better relationships? I need to become a better person. Notice the one thing. Every one of those things requires action and work, not wishing, pretending, blaming, looking that way. Action. You cannot control what happened in your past, but you 100% can control next. Future isn't given, it is earned. One walk, one healthy meal, one good damn decision, a hard conversation with yourself. One day at a time, nothing sexy. Here's my challenge to you today. Stop asking why. Start asking, what kind of life am I willing to earn? I promise you, your best life is not that way. It's not. It's waiting on the other side of the work that you have to do today. And when you make that mental switch, your entire life's going to change. If you found this for the first time or watching this for the 100th time, my name is Eric. I'm an accountability coach, and this is Starting Over at 57. If you're following along, please drop I'm in the comments so I can see you with me. I help people start over. If you'd like to know what an accountability coach is, send me a little bit of your story in my inbox. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.